By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder for weight loss, the ultimate guide to getting fit. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of protein powder for weight loss. I'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide to getting fit and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, let's get started. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that not all protein powders are created equal. When selecting one, ensure it contains a high-quality source of protein that helps you achieve your fitness goals. If your aim is weight loss, a whey protein isolate is an excellent choice as it provides approximately 110 calories and 24 grams of protein per serving. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one now. Let's talk about taste. Nothing can ruin your fitness journey faster than having to force down a tasteless shake every day. So, make sure to choose a flavor that you enjoy and can easily mix with water or milk. Remember, protein powders are just a supplement to your diet, not a magic potion. To achieve weight loss results, pair your protein shake with a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Consistency is key. In conclusion, incorporating a high-quality protein powder into your weight loss journey can significantly aid in reaching your fitness goals when paired with a healthy diet and exercise routine. So, try it out and see the results for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fit and keep working towards your goals.